You led successfully implementation of a ERP project in a distribution company. The system is finally live. Users have started logging in. Transactions are being processed. Reports are being generated. And departments like finance, supply chain, HR are now using the system. Everyone celebrates the go live. But there is one major problem. Go live is not the same as project closure. Some users are still waiting for training. Some defects are still open. Some support responsibilities are unclear. Vendor says that the system is delivered. Business says that we are still facing issues. And support team says we don't know which issues are ours and which are project defects. Finance, most importantly, says final payment cannot be released without formal acceptance. So, as a project manager, what do? Do you close the project because go live happened, or do you leave operations and support team to figure things out? Or you plan and manage closure and transition through acceptance, training completion, defect management, support handover, lesson learned, financial closure, and formal sign off. To manage this thing, PMI has a specific exam content outline task which says plan and manage project phase closure or transition. Generally, this task means to make sure that a project or a phase or a deliverable or a system is formally completed, accepted, handed over, documented, and transitioned to the right people. It actually includes confirming the acceptance, closing the project contracts, handing over the knowledge, completing the overall project documentation, resolving or transferring the open issues, capturing the lesson learned, and more importantly, releasing the resources for ensuring operational readiness. In this perspective, if you look at the exam scenarios, you may have a scenario like that: deliverable is complete but formal acceptance is missing, or there are open defects remains after go live, or operation is not ready to take over the project, or vendor says the project is complete but the finance is not releasing the payment, or the project is closed but lessons learned are not captured. You need to understand that go live is not closure, or delivery is not acceptance, and more importantly, and handover is not complete until receiving the team can operate the system. Technically, if you look at the overall perspective, the PMP exam rewards the project manager who actually confirms the acceptance, manages the open issues, completes the documentation, and transfer the knowledge. Technically, when you're looking into it, it also talks about how do we close contracts and lesson learned, and finally getting the formal sign off. You need to understand that closure is not the last formality, it is actually a value transition.